Hey y'all, I am just taking my hair down just to moisturize it. It is rainy outside, so I will not be wearing my hair out at all. And what I'm doing to moisturize it is a water-based leave-in conditioner, the half and half, hydrating, silkening hair milk. These titles get longer and longer, I swear. Anyway, it's by Aunt Jackie's. That's who it's by, Aunt Jackie's. And I'm just spraying it in my hand just so I can have control. Not doing a whole lot. I didn't do it last night, so that's why I'm doing it today. And then I'm following through with rosehip oil. One good dropper full. Got the rosehip oil off of Amazon. And I usually just get what's cheapest. This particular, I also use this kind, this brand as well. But this particular one was, not only was it on sale, it was like a bigger bottle, and it had like a couple of free samples of some nice aromatherapy oils. Okay, and this is typically what I do at night. This is how I sleep at night. Most of the time, I'll usually do 1 or 2 of these. And it's just a bun. And that's it. Pin it in place. And I stick the hairpins through the bun so that it's not touching they're not touching my scalp and making it painful. I can't stand that. And because I want a little height, I am using my faux Afro puff. Doesn't have to be neat. I just want some height. Not even being real neat about it. That's actually kind of cute if I fixed it up. Huh. You could stop there if you want. Everybody should have a faux puff, I think. I like that better than putting paper in your wraps or what other stuff people use. Fabric. I just rather have some hair. But you technically could just stop right here. It's very secure. But I don't want my hair out, like I said, because I don't want it to draw up and everything with the rain. Plus, I want to have something on my head. It's not that warm out. And then this is my infinity scarf that I made by cutting the bottom of a dress. Hopefully it's wide enough. I did a video on this before, but this one is a little more in depth because I added a puff. And girl, just work with it however it turns out, girl. You can twist it if you want, or you can keep it straight. But I think, I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm just going to keep going. Make it work, girl. Make it work. Make it work, because ain't nobody got time for this. Do what you got to do to make it work, girl. That's all anybody got to ask. Let's just make it work. It's getting tall, ain't it? But we're going to stuff it. Coming together. Yep. That's good. That's good. Make sure it feels secure to you. Got your lipstick and earrings on. Everything looks purposeful, honey. And that's that. It's okay if people know it's a puff. I got hair under there. Don't matter whose it is, right? Alright, so this infinity wrap, I just cut it off of a dress that I no longer either wore. It might have got too little, whatever. Before you throw things out, before you take it to the second hand, look at it closely to see if you can repurpose it. In fact, I think I turned the dress into a top. I still have it. I still have the top piece. But I know that it's like really open up at the top, so I haven't worn it, and I forgot I had it. But yeah, I might have to do something about that. But that's it, guys. Until the next video, live simply and be kind.